Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be dipping our toe into more real life situation. And we're going to start slow, and one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to download a file, and we're going to test and see if it is a zip file with our new module that we have learned about. So, all right, let's just get to it. So, as always, thanks for joining us. If you're new here, let's make sure we're clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we got videos coming out all the time. So, all right, Zipfile is a module that, of course, can zip and unzip files, and there is an awesome method called Zipfile. And that's what we're going to be learning today. But let's get to this. So if you do not know this URL, I'm going to be putting a card up right now, and click on that and go watch that video. But all right, that is this. So if you do not know this, go back and look at that. I don't know if it's here or here. I think it's probably right over my face right now. It's all right. All right. And then we are going to be looking, address. We're going to be pulling some data down from the Social Security website. No fears. This is down in the link. Down in the link is down in the comment section, the description section. So all right, then we do retrieve, and let me just make sure I spell retrieve right. Address, and then the name of names.zip. So that is there. So I'm gonna run this. It may take a second. The magic of editing. So now that we've done that, we're going to look at, let's see, help.zip file is zip file. So okay, quickly see if a file is a zip file. Check the magic number. File arguments may be file or file like. So then we come here and we look at is zip file that names zip. Oops, hang on, and look what I did. File dot is zip file names dot zip. Here we go. It's true. So we are starting our adventure with downloading some data, while all along learning about our methods and use of all the awesome stuff we've done so far. So all right, there we go, and we'll just build on this and we'll go from there, and I'll have all these put in nice little organized playlists. So as always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click that like button if this video you like, and the subscribe and the notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below. So thanks guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.